Okay, George. The question that we're trying to answer is what's the condition of the wood beyond the engine room bulkhead, which is right here. I'll try to get you maybe a better vantage point here where you can kind of see where we're at. We're back, a few frames farther than we were when you were here last Saturday. We were able to attach to this frame right here and keep part of this rib, but we still ended up replacing a good portion. Okay, so we're working our way back. It's kind of a mixed bag. Our condition of the plywood seems to be getting better. There's a little rot right here on this piece. So we're not out of the woods yet. A little rot right here on this piece. There was some right here as well. But look at the bottom of the stringer. Gee, we didn't have to do anything down here where the rib was. There was no rot, which a few stations up this way, of course, you can see where we had to put in some new Douglas fir on those. But so the stringer's looking a little better right here. And I say mixed bag because look at this rib right here. That's, rotted away. This rib right here is. So we're gonna have to go up in here and cut this rod out and make our rib go up in there a ways. So now I do know that for two or three frame stations behind the bulkhead, underneath the boat, we've exposed right in this area right here. We've exposed some frames. Excuse me. We get the right position here. Sorry about all the wiggling of the camera. So, on the other side of the keel, we're back a little ways on the other side of the keel. Okay, so on the other side of the keel, we're back a couple of frame stations. Actually, one frame station right under the bulkhead and one more frame station back. And those frames actually appear to be in good shape. You can see the end of a frame right here. Come on, where is it? Oh, there it is. Right there, you're looking at the end of a frame. Right there, that we're gonna have to scarf to. When we go to the other side of the boat, oh, I got Charlie horse in my leg. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Okay. Walk the Charlie horse out. Oh, Lordy. So we go to the other side of the boat. They've been doing some bottom painting over here, or some sanding for it with a vacuum sander, by the way. All right, so we go over to this side of the boat, and hopefully my light is still on. Yes. And here's the bulkhead. We've done this frame. We're all the way to the bulkhead on this side. Okay. So as you look at these frames, here's a little bit of rot, but the rest of the frame seems to be in good condition. I believe we can just make a repair here. We got a little rot right here. We might be able to make a repair here as well. So things do appear to be, better from the standpoint of up here farther. When we were working with rotted planking, we had rotted frames, rotted ribs up here. So it's looking better, but again, it's kind of a mixed bag. I have a frame, I just noticed a frame right here. It's split right here. So I know I have to do this one. So the only way so it's still too early to tell what exactly we've got back here, but it does look better. So I'm thinking that we might be able to not have to replace every frame. But I have it in the quote that if we have to replace every frame, that it would be on that bottom invoice that you seek. So anyhow, I hope that's helpful. It's, you know, we don't have a lot more information. The only way to get more information would be to do more tearaway, which we will be doing. It's just that we were trying to get to the bulkhead and kind of have a clean cutoff point, and we're pretty close to that. I said, yeah, we've really just got 2 more frames that we have to do at this frame station. We've got 2 more ribs that we got to do, and then we'll be at the bulkhead.